Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, already we covered 17 questions. Today, same differences we are going to take as a 18th question. What is the difference between bytes and byte array? Bytes and byte array. See, bytes and byte array, all these are same up to certain level. What is the first point here? For both bytes and byte array I'm taking, it is going to collect objects, collection of objects. Both bytes and byte array is going to collect the objects. Next, only integer objects are allowed. Integer objects are allowed for both. Even the range of integers are from 0 to 255. So which values it is going to allow? Only 0 to 255 values it is going to allow. But what changes? Bytes is nothing but what? It is immutable. Means what? Modifications are not allowed. Modifications are not allowed. Where in the bytes, if you are trying to do any modifications, it won't accept. Whereas coming to byte array, what is the functionality of byte array? It is mutable. Means what? Modifications are allowed. This is nothing but the main difference between bytes and byte array. Both are same. Up to certain points, both are same. Now I want to demonstrate this with one small example. And of course, we can't create a bytes object or byte array object directly. Direct creation of bytes or byte object is not allowed. So for that, what I'm doing is very simple. I'm going to have a list with elements 10, 20, 30 like this. Only 3 elements I have taken. From that, I'm creating B1 is equal to bytes of L. Okay. And B2 is equal to, I am taking byte array of L. Sir, type of B1 if you print, it will print, it is nothing but bytes. Type of B2 if you take, the type is nothing but what? Byte array. Like that we are getting. Now my question is, which is mutable, which is immutable? Try to print B2 of 0, B2 of 0. Sir, what is the output? 10. Now B2 of 0 is equal to, I am taking 555. Have you observed? Sorry, B2, we are trying to assign 555 because that value is not allowed, right? Let me take 511. Sir, it is accepting. After that, try to print B2 of 0. What output we are getting? 511, right? So what is the meaning of this? B2 is what type? Byte array. Byte array is supporting, okay, modifications. Now let me take, I'm going to take print of B1 of 0. It is a 10. Now B1 of 0 is equal to, I'm taking 99. What output we are getting? Bytes object does not support item assignment. So bytes is immutable, byte array is mutable. That is the conclusion what we got here. Except that remaining points are same for both bytes and byte array. The main difference between these two is mutability, immutability nature. Okay. This is nothing but what is the difference between bytes and byte array. Okay. Thank you, friends.